Hi everyone. Welcome to RFacts. Here are 25 facts about NASA. NASA stands for the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, a U.S. government agency responsible for the nation's civilian space program and for aeronautics and aerospace research. NASA was established on July 29, 1958, by President Dwight D. Eisenhower, replacing the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, NACA. NASA's headquarters is located in Washington, D.C., and the agency has 10 field centers across the United States. The first human mission to the Moon, Apollo 11, was launched by NASA on July 16, 1969. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin, Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the Moon. NASA has launched numerous unmanned missions to study other planets, including Mars, Venus, and Jupiter, as well as asteroids and comets. NASA's Mars exploration program has sent several robotic missions to study the Red Planet, including the Mars Curiosity rover and the Mars 2020 Perseverance rover. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, has provided scientists with stunning images and insights into the universe, including the discovery of dark energy. NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory, launched in 1999, observes the universe in high-energy X-rays to help scientists better understand the structure and evolution of the universe. NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, launched in 2009, discovered thousands of exoplanets, or planets outside our solar system, by observing the light from distant stars. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, scheduled to launch in 2021, is the largest and most powerful space telescope ever built and will study the formation of galaxies, stars, and planetary systems. NASA's Earth Science Program studies Earth's systems, including its atmosphere, oceans, land, and ice, to better understand climate change and its impacts. NASA has also developed numerous technologies that have impacted our daily lives, including memory foam, cochlear implants, and water filtration systems. NASA astronauts have lived and worked aboard the International Space Station, ISS, since 2000, conducting experiments and performing maintenance tasks. NASA's Space Launch System, SLS, is a powerful rocket that will carry humans and cargo to the Moon and beyond, including Mars. NASA's Commercial Crew Program works with private companies like SpaceX and Boeing to develop spacecraft capable of transporting astronauts to and from the ISS. NASA's Aeronautics Research Mission Directorate works to develop new technologies and concepts for aviation, including electric propulsion and supersonic flight. NASA has a Planetary Defense Coordination Office, which tracks asteroids and other near-Earth objects that could potentially pose a threat to our planet. NASA has a diverse workforce, including engineers, scientists, astronauts, and administrative staff from many different backgrounds. NASA has an annual budget of around $25 billion, which is funded by the U.S. government. NASA is committed to diversity and inclusion, and has programs to support women, people of color, and other underrepresented groups in STEM fields. NASA also works with international partners, including space agencies from Russia, Europe, Canada, and Japan, to achieve its goals. NASA's Artemis program aims to land the first woman and the next man on the Moon by 2024, and to establish a sustainable presence on the lunar surface. NASA's Perseverance rover, launched in 2020, is searching for signs of past microbial life on Mars and collecting samples for future return to Earth. NASA's New Horizons spacecraft, launched in 2006. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, is responsible for managing many of the agency's robotic missions, including the Mars rovers and the Cassini-Huygens mission to Saturn. NASA's Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft, launched in 1977, are still communicating with Earth and have become the first human-made objects to leave our solar system and enter interstellar space. NASA's Commercial Resupply Services program works with private companies to deliver cargo to the ISS, including food, supplies, and scientific experiments. NASA's Space Technology Mission Directorate works to advance cutting-edge technologies, such as advanced materials, robotics, and artificial intelligence, for space exploration. NASA's Earth Observing System, EOS, satellites provide critical data on Earth's climate and environment, including measurements of temperature, sea level, and land cover. NASA's Small Business Innovation Research, SBIR, and Small Business Technology Transfer, STTR, programs provide funding and support to small businesses to develop new technologies and products for NASA and other government agencies. Thanks for watching. Subscribe please.